We focus on the idea of happiness too much, and the problem with that is that it takes our focus away from aims that would be more productive. It's much better to aim for meaning than for happiness. 12 Rules for Life is about how to live properly in the face of vulnerability, tragedy, and malevolence. One of the propositions in 12 Rules for Life is that life existence is usefully characterized as an interplay of order and chaos, or unknown and known. You're always striving to balance those two. If what you're doing is too familiar, you're bored. And if what you're doing is too unfamiliar, then you're anxious. And what you want to do is find the harmonious line between those two, and that's signified by meaning. If you can get those two things right, then you can have your cake and eat it too. I hope people can take away the idea that there is a mode of being in the face of the vulnerability and tragedy of life that is noble and powerful and capable of sustaining them through the worst possible times without becoming corrupt and bitter.